Managing a staff in Baisic Restaurants is easy and flexible. Open your restaurant, then tap the Restaurant Settings button. Next, tap Manage Staff. This is where your staff list will appear. Now, let's add a new staff to your team.
Tap the plus button on the lower right corner to add a new staff. This will open the Add a Staff bottom sheet.
For the first name, I'll put Casey, and for the last name, I'll put Santos. Once everything's filled up, tap Add, and that's it. You've added a new staff to your team. You can also edit your staff's information. Just select the staff and a bottom sheet will appear where you can update their first or last name. And if someone leaves your team, you can delete them anytime by tapping the Remove button. That's how you add, update, and delete staff in Baisic Restaurants.
Enjoy building your dream team with Baisic.